How to find profiles you visited on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find profiles that you have visited on Instagram. So if you're wondering how to check which accounts you have recently searched or interacted with, I've got you covered. And now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in a profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from here, simply tap on your activity. And now you will land on the activity page where you can see all the things that you have done on Instagram. Now from here, simply tap on likes to see all the posts that you have liked. And if you have visited a profile and liked a post, you can easily find them here. And after that, here is another way to find profiles that you have visited. So simply go back to the menu icon and tap on settings. Now in the settings page, simply tap on account center. Now wait for the page to load, and under the account settings, simply tap on your information and permissions. And now on this page, tap on search history, and this will show you the list of all accounts that you have searched for or visited on Instagram. And now you can easily find those profiles you have recently interacted with. And that's it. That's how you can find profiles that you have visited on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.